Good evening, friends. Myself Ujwala Bharti. Today I am going to share my views on the topic that is, what are the things we can do? What are the things we can do by which all the peoples get instantly like us? So in this world, all the people wants that everyone likes us, everyone appreciate us, but actually it can't be happen because there are different type of people living in this universe. So actually, if someone doesn't like us, it is always problem with us that some people do not like us, and some peoples are like us. But actually in this world, everyone who is as he is just searching for that type of people who is exactly like them. Always they are searching for them people. Let's suppose your example. What type of people you like? Exactly which that type of people which you are as like as them. So you are searching for that type of people. You are always ready to spend time for with them who is like your their views, their mental stability, their mindset is like as you. So you are comfortable for as that type people. So in actually there were so many experiment actually done, and by experiments it find that those type of people who don't like other, which one is different from them, right? So actually in this world we always search for them. Actually in this world we are searching for that type of people who is as like as us. So don't think about it that which type of people, why these are not liking us. Actually they are not like us, that's why they are not liking us. Let's take an example. A person who is very much bored, who is not interested to laugh too much, he is very much serious about his studies, or very much introvert, then did you like to spend time with them? No, na. As like as they are also not. If I am extrovert and I am always busy to being fun with our friends and spending time, so much time by playing games or fun, then I also don't like to spend time with that type of people. So let me clear first. If I am searching for that type of people which is not like us, then definitely there is no collaboration is going on between us. As initially some people try to pretend like they are like us and try to make friendly with us, but this can't be happen so longer, because for some time anyone can pretend na. At last he has to be he has to show what he is. So we have to move on for that type of people which we like, or which who are as our mental means as per our mental state, and let them go that type of people which is not like us. If someone doesn't like us, that means they are different from us. Then let it be go na. Why are you so serious? They are different from us, they are different view of looking to the world. So let them enjoy for that type of people which he like. It doesn't matter that he doesn't like us. So let them enjoy for them, and let us enjoy for with that type of people which is very much familiar with us. In this world there are thousand means crores of the people living in this earth, but actually we need to friend we need some supports of some very much little person, like 3 to 6 peoples in this earth, we will manage, then we will definitely get succeed. We only need some people to succeed in our life, not too much. Actually, if we collaborate with that type of people which waste our time and energy, then definitely we should leave and we should stay away from them. So stop thinking like that they are not liking us, why they are not appreciating us. Just focus on you and your and your family and your friend circle, which is which is supporting us. Just let it go that type of people which is not comfortable with us, because also have some personal life and personal view about the world. So let it be good. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.